Crazy hits. You know, so only thing with Japa hits, you know what I mean? You know, 20 MATIC can mash up the place right now, you know what I mean? So, album soon, you know what I mean?
Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
So yeah, people, you don't know Masicka, make you know what go on, because what them said 20, you know. Plus him did go on with one whole for something before that, with one whole for song. You see me and say, we know reverse time. Then, so, Masicka make you know about that something, yeah. The new album something, yeah. And the release of Kartel, you know what I mean? Yeah, the vibration there. Right there and right now. So, listen to what Masicka have to say, people.
And we know during the performance you did shout out World Boss, you know, Kartel's out on the streets again. What does it mean to, you know, Dancehall to have him back out, giving back?
Freedom is a must, you understand? And the music miss the great talent, you know what I mean? And the great influencer, you know what I mean? Dancehall, at it again, you understand? Yeah, man, definitely.
And you know that you're always in the studio, always recording. What can the fans expect for the second half of the year?
Crazy hits. You know, so only thing with Japa hits, you know what I mean? You know, 20 MATIC can mash up the place right now, you know what I mean? So, album soon, you know what I mean? My birthday forward, so the fans can look out for that. What if a new music, man? Dancehall it is, man. You know, it, man, straight. Brr.
Yeah, people say see that thing finalized, you know. Finalized. December. Yeah, Gaza party, Gaza nation, the thing Lord. See it there? I DJ the Palmer. Yeah, and Joe. Paper signing a go on right there, so. You see me I say? Remember, you know, we see charge a fly out on one jet plane, we know, unsuspicious one brother where we know two know who. We figure out a who still. You know what I mean? Yeah. But you don't know. Paper signing, everything ready, thing I put together. Artists that work out, you know what I mean? I get him limbs them and him giants them strong and ready to deal with the show December. Yeah, man, the big bad show I go keep in Jamaica. You see me I say? But this is what Amari have to say. Do you agree? Do you agree? Because I say if Kartel face or if him look like Vybz Kartel by the time when the show ready, it not go work, you know. So I want you to make me know if you think. You see me, because right now, even if him have on him kerchief and him one bag of wrap up, everybody I got accept him see me, you know, that me see, you know. Yeah, man, that me see right there. So, Kartel thing no normal, Kartel thing different. You see me I say? Yeah, man, when that show they drop December 30, everybody have fly out, everybody have forward in. You see me I say? People are sell organ, clothes, rent, everything I sell. You see me I say? Because Kartel show have to sell off. So, Amari, me don't know. People never tell me if I not agree. Because enough people want to see Kartel faces. They want to take picture and one bag of sitting. So, it could be an issue for sure.
Amari, do you honestly feel that Kartel's show is going to take off?
Somewhat. Because if Kartel don't look like Kartel by then, the whole show is going to flop. The handkerchief not going to do it for him. You know, if he's planning to do the show and cover his face the entire time, it's not going to work. You know, so he have limited time to look like the real Kartel.
This is what Queen Africa have to say. As they may say upon the release of Adidja Palmer, Vybz Kartel, the world boss. This is what I say. So, she make a no straightforward to Mr. Babylon. Babylon always are going with something around our curtain. Zin, and them release Kartel to create that veil over our eyes so we never see where them are going with. Them are going to sneak in where them are sneak in because we are focused on Kartel at the present moment. And then when time Kartel thing reach from a level where, you know what I mean, yeah, regularize out it, regular and normalize, then we are going to realize there's some new things implicated by the government. And we never know when it did happen, when it did go on. You see me I say? Because what? We were so distracted by the release and the freedom of Vybz Kartel. And we are looking at everything we are going with. We see him wife, him life, you know what I mean, pan him TikTok over there. So all sort of happenings we are going with Kartel. So, Queen Africa, I make you know. And this is what she have to say.
Yeah, destruction machine, high up. Right there, them just put in the 19, you know, I drive around every day, I do video and I do live. Yeah, after the 90 gas, so them put in the destruction machine. Our dearly beloved teacher.
Health is wealth, you know what I mean? This is Anthony B. share a little energy, you know what I mean? About his journey in this life. You see me I say? Yes, man, Anthony B just go through one surgery or undergo a surgery. and presently in the recovery state, looking wonderful and fine and alright. You see what I say? Yeah, people, see it there?
You must have gone through quite a difficult time, both physically and mentally.
Yes, I'm still under my knife. So I was in Jamaica for Reggae Sunfest, get some fish tea, and what the doctor says that there was a bone in the fish tea that passed my throat. So it went inside my tripe, turned sideways, so it punctured my tripe. So if I go on Sunfest stage, I wouldn't be here.
Yeah, people, see it there? Anthony B. Yeah, share for him energy and I make you know what I go on. You see me, I say, remember, people, $50 giveaway, no? 50 USD. You see me, I say, merch and clothes and all kind of things. You see me, I say, credit. Yeah, Flow Digital. You know what I mean? All you have to do, subscribe to the channel. Link in the description, and you get the notification. You get the information and what you should do to get this $50. Anthony B, quick recovery, no bro. Yeah, man, from a Rasta to a Rasta, quick recovery, my brother. You see me, I say, yeah, man, strong, strength, prosperity, prosperity, health and wealth. You see it?